Every month, thousands of Canadian seniors mail out payments they were never legally required to make, not because they broke a rule or missed a filing, but simply because no one ever told them an exemption existed. The system that collects your money has absolutely no obligation to tell you when it should be collecting less. That quiet gap between what you owe and what you are actually paying is worth hundreds or thousands of dollars a year. The programs that could close that gap are real, federally and provincially sanctioned, and have been sitting on the books for years. The only thing standing between you and that money is knowing where to look. When you owe the government money, they find you collection. Notices arrive. Interest accumulates. Deadlines are enforced consistently. When the government owes you a reduction, the burden shifts entirely to you to find and apply for it. You have to know the program exists, locate the application, fill it out, and submit it yourself. This is not a conspiracy. It is simply how administrative systems work. Understanding it separates people who recover this money from those who never do. The first bill worth examining is property tax. If you own your home and are 65 or older, most provinces have deferral or reduction programs built for seniors. In British Columbia, eligible seniors can defer property taxes indefinitely while they continue living in the home. The balance is only reconciled when the property is sold or transferred, with low interest and no compounding penalties. In Ontario, many municipalities offer a property tax rebate or freeze, reducing the annual bill by as much as 40%. On a $4,000 annual property tax bill, that reduction alone puts $1,600 back in your pocket every single year. The action step is specific. Contact your municipal tax office and ask what senior property tax exemption, deferral, or rebate programs are available to you. Do not ask a general question about assistance. Ask that exact question. They are required to tell you what exists. The second category is utility costs, covering natural gas, electricity, and home heating bills every month. The Federal Canada Greener Homes Program and provincial programs provide direct monthly reductions on utility bills for low to moderate income Canadians, including seniors. Ontario's Electricity Support Program can reduce your monthly electricity bill by anywhere from $35 to $113, up to $1,350 per year. You do not receive a check in the mail. The bill simply arrives lower. But the program does not enroll you automatically. If you are currently receiving OAs or GIS, you very likely qualify, and you can apply online in roughly 15 minutes. If you live outside Ontario, searching your province name alongside low-income energy assistance will surface the equivalent program. Third on the list is prescription drug costs, and this one carries some of the largest individual savings for seniors. Ontario's Drug Benefit Program covers most prescription costs for residents 65 and over, dropping copayments to between $2 and $6. Nothing at all if you are receiving the Guaranteed Income Supplement, covering your prescriptions entirely at the pharmacy. Yet some seniors are still paying full out-of-pocket costs, simply because their provincial senior drug benefit was never confirmed as active. A change of province, a gap in coverage, or a pharmacy that never updated enrollment can leave someone paying $200 a month unnecessarily. That is more than $2,100 in unnecessary spending every year without changing a single prescription on your plan. The fix takes about 2 minutes. Walk into your pharmacy or call your provincial health ministry and ask them to confirm your coverage. If there is a gap, your pharmacist can tell you how to re-enroll on the spot, often the same day you ask. The fourth bill surprises most people. Internet and television fees. You may be dramatically overpaying every single month. Canada's telecom regulator has mandated that major internet providers offer affordable access plans for low-income Canadians as of 2026. Providers including Rogers, Bell, TELUS, Shaw, and Cogeco are required to offer reduced rate internet plans at approximately $20 per month. If you are receiving GIS, you almost certainly qualify, but your provider will not downgrade your plan automatically or notify you. They will not call you. They will not send a letter. If you have not asked, you are currently paying full price every month. The entire process requires one phone call and one sentence. Ask for their affordable or low-income internet plan as a senior receiving GIS. If you are currently paying $80 per month for internet service, this one call saves you $720 per year immediately. The fifth and final category is federal and provincial income tax on certain senior benefits that may not be fully claimed. The age amount tax credit, pension income amount, GST and HST credit, and the Canada carbon rebate may not be maximized for you. If your income situation changed through retirement, the death of a spouse, or a significant drop in earnings, you may be owed credits. For 2025 taxes filed in 2026, the federal age amount credit allows seniors 65 and older to reduce taxable income by up to $8,790. If your income falls below $44,325, you receive the full credit, a direct reduction in what you owe, not a deduction from income. Many seniors file taxes the same way they have for 2 decades, and no one ever revisits whether full senior-specific credits are being captured. The CRA can be reached at 1-800-959-8281. Ask them to confirm the age amount, pension income amount, and GST and HST credit are all reflected. If anything is missing, ask about filing a T1 adjustment. This process allows you to recover money owed going back up to 10 years. 10 years of unclaimed age amount credits at the 15% federal rate represents over $13,000 you can still access if you ask. The channel that covers this material publishes updates on program changes, exemption deadlines, and benefit adjustments on a rolling basis. Subscribing with notifications on means you find out when it matters. Finding out after the window is closed means the money is simply gone. For most provincial programs, there is no retroactive forgiveness. You cannot go back and claim years of deferred property taxes you did not defer. You can only begin from the point at which you apply. Every month you pay full internet price when you qualify for $20. That is $60 lost. Every year you file taxes without claiming the full age amount credit. That is money the government keeps because you did not ask for it back. None of these agencies will ever send you a notice saying you are overpaying. The system processes what you submit. If you submit a full payment, it accepts a full payment. That is the only rule the system follows without exception. The people who recover this money share exactly one thing in common. They found out it was available, and they took one step. Call your municipal tax office and ask specifically what senior property tax exemption, deferral, or rebate programs you qualify for. Write down what they tell you. Go to OESP, OEAB, KEA if you are in Ontario, and complete the application for electricity support today. If you are in another province, search your province name with the phrase Low-Income Energy Assistance, Seniors to find your program. Call or visit your pharmacy and ask them to verify that your provincial senior drug benefit is active on your profile right now. Call your internet provider and ask for their low-income or affordable access plan, telling them you are a senior receiving GIS benefits. Call the CRA to confirm every senior specific credit is reflected in your file. Then ask about a T1 adjustment if anything is missing. None of these steps require a lawyer. None require a fight. They require only the knowledge that the programs exist and the decision to ask.